So it's the following day after my big ceiling debacle. There's some bits I need to fix with it, and I'll fill them and sand them down. Not as bad as it could have been. Not as bad as I feel like I was saying it was yesterday. I just was very tired. I know it was all my own fault. In my mind, I had that I was going to do the whole ceiling in one hit, get it all done, and because of that, I had to do it in one hit and get it all done. Yeah, I should have done it in segments and made my life a lot easier. I mean, it's a big ceiling to do on my own anyway, and with the heat. Yeah. I know I can do a better job if I'd taken my time, but yeah, I decided I was going to do it in 2 days, all of the ceilings. So I did it in 2 days. So don't be like me. Be more like someone that's sensible and does things sensibly, unlike the masochist I am. Come here today to assess the damage and and the wastage. I've got a lot of wastage, but there's a lot of tidying up to do. I need to clean it. I need to scrape the walls down from where I threw plaster all over them. But yeah, it's not as bad as I thought. But yeah, definitely feeling it in my back, my shoulder, abs, everywhere today. But yeah, and I hope you're enjoying the mics. I bought some mics to see if I can get some better audio. But yeah, it's going to be a chilled one today, I think. I'm not even going to put any music on. I'm just going to clean up, move some bits about, and then see where I'm at. Might have an early day. Might do like half a day. Enjoy it, guys. Funny thing is this isn't even a big ceiling for me. I've done ceilings in the UK bigger than this. But obviously, using a different product, multi-finish thistle or British gypsum in the UK, and definitely wasn't in 20 to 30 degree heat either. So in the UK, it was probably raining when I did it. It's a fine balance between getting stuff done and things taking too long. For me, I'd rather smash it out, suffer a little bit, and then move on to the next thing quickly, rather than spending days or weeks on one job. It seems ridiculous to me. another week done, guys. So yeah, sanded down, filled some spots in the walls that needed filling, and then sanded them down, ready for the first coat of paint. This coat on Monday, hopefully. I will see the damage to the ceiling on after I've painted it to see what needs filling. It always stands out a little bit more. But yeah, so hopefully Monday, get in here and just do a whole flat in a whitewash. Which should be nice. So I need to get the painting done before the electrician will come in here. And then, yeah, so then I can have all the fittings, light fittings, sockets, switches, everything like that fitted. And I've made it so I can open another window in the living area because it's hot in here and it's nice to have a through draft. So I've taped it all up nice so I can just throw paint around and not really worry about it. Yes, plumber's been here as well. He's going to give us a price on over the weekend to do all the first fix plumbing. Can't think of what else. What else have we done? Yeah, that's it today really. I've cleared up all the mess. Bit of a bitty day really. I didn't really know what to film either. But yeah, so we'll go out, we've got to go and get the paint now. Because we haven't got a car all weekend. And need to go to in the bathroom furnishing shop and order some more bits for the main bathroom. Yeah, that's about it. So hopefully this place is going to start looking completely different by the end of next week. So, I mean, the main areas are all going to be white, and the office / spare bedroom we're doing a dark colour. So basically, Fred is going to use it as a bit of a studio, so she can do like videos for content. Yeah, but I'm done, so I'm going home. I'll see you guys in the next one.